Maybe it's a homeless person.
There has to be. It's like having an engine or a piece of motor.
It looks like a homeless person's suitcase. I mean, it's got a glass jar with the Q-tips in it.
Yeah.
She's got really good credentials. She's got a master's degree from Notre Dame.
And then she took a course, homelessness, confronting homelessness.
From Notre Dame, though.
A master's degree from Notre Dame, a Manhattan attorney husband, $1,500 in cash hidden among glass jars. This is the legal analysis of the Broward County airport arrest of July 1st, 2022.
Get downstairs, lady. Get downstairs.
I can't carry it.
No, get your shit. Excuse me. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Get your hands
You're gonna
off
get
of
arrested.
me.
We're just curious to see what's inside. Oh, just a lot of clothing, I guess. Maybe it's a homeless person. There's something heavy, like, underneath the clothing, because there's no way. There's no way that's just clothing.
How much it weighs?
What could be in there?
Well, that's what I'm saying. It's more than just clothes. It has to be. It's like having an engine or a piece of motor. Or,
It looks like equipment.
Yeah.
It feels like equipment.
Yeah.
Oh, there's it's Lisa, but Lisa Michelle Macris. I think she might be a homeless person. I mean, she's got really good credentials.
No, she's not homeless.
5619. She's got like a higher graduate degree. She went to George Washington University.
She's educated. Well, she's an educated.
She's got a master's degree from Notre Dame. It's pretty good.
We need to find her.
I'm not sure why she would leave a whole suitcase. She's just leaving all her stuff, I guess.
Okay. And then she took a course, homelessness, confronting homelessness.
From Notre Dame, though. I'm like, Jesus, that's some
I'm like, look.
crazy American studies confronting homelessness.
She had a B. And what the hell she...
It looks like a homeless person's suitcase. I mean, it's got a glass jar with the Q-tips in it. I'm like, who takes a glass jar? She's coming out to get her bag.
She's not flying.
She's not flying. Okay.
They had I just spoke with the supervisor that's covering the area. He said the woman's going to come up here. So there were other issues. So
She's intoxicated, I think, also.
well, if she's intoxicated, she's definitely not supposed to be going anywhere. So
Where's she flying to, New York?
Westchester County, yeah.
Ooh. Oh, yeah. Yo, lady, we don't speak that here. What are you saying? Are you f***ing kidding me? In the airport? In public? You said the N-word? Are you serious? You're yelling that shit here. No, go. No, you're gonna go. No, you're gonna take your
Cancer.
get that 83-pound suitcase. Excuse you, that's your shit. Go get it. Get downstairs, lady. Get downstairs.
I can't carry it.
No, get your shit. Go downstairs. Go. Excuse you. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Get your hands
You're gonna get
off of
arrested.
me,
That's what. Excuse you.
Just stop.
No. No.
I want to see my
You're
mother
gonna be
tomorrow.
trespassed. No, you're arrested now.
He told me. No, I'm not arrested.
No. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Not up to me. You're the one that's from.
Excuse you. Put your hands behind your back.
Please
Stop.
I
You
for
need
my
to stop.
Mother. You're too young, so you don't
No,
understand.
I'm not.
What is
You're acting like a freaking lunatic.
late 80s dying of cancer.
Nobody cares right now because you're acting like a lunatic at an airport.
I
You're
didn't do anything
You're
wrong.
shouting racist, derogatory terms
I just said
in the
that
middle of
I
an
did not
airport.
do anything wrong. My mom is dying of cancer.
No. 3 Alpha 32. Can we have another unit come over here? I'm gonna need transport for 105.
Jesus, get me off. All I want to do is see my mother.
You're not when you're blasted drunk, lady.
No, but this officer told me that tomorrow I can.
Well, not before you started
No, you're the one
yelling.
that
You know what
started
you
that
just said? No.
Get yourself.
Oh, I'm a
off
okay.
my arm.
culture, lady. I'm a okay.
Get my hands out of here and hey, Dean.
I
how
can't
the
even
fuck
put her in
are
my
you?
car.
Because guess
But
what?
you have a canine? You have a dog?
Yeah.
There's such a thing as guns in South Florida, Dean.
What are you trying to say? You have ID on you?
No.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna find your.
I got her. Just tell them we're at door 323.
323.
See my mother. Just let me go to a hotel and just come back tomorrow. This is not fair because she wants to bully up to me
Alpha
when I
32.
need to see my mother and my 2 boys that are home from college.
Why do you get blasted drunk to see your family and your dying mother?
The
That you
reason-
missed your flight and you left your bag.
Because the bag was
3-2?
too heavy for me
10-9?
and the benefits outweighed the risk. I could not carry it and I just knew I will dump that all out so that I can see my mother
You can
and my
10-8 the
boys
area
again.
and slow the units down. We have her detained.
Just tell them we're at, you tell them we're at door 323.
Can you just like let me get these glasses off my head? Like on top? No.
Right there. Right there on the suitcase. Stop.
No, on my
No,
head.
it's
On
not.
my
It's not
head.
going
They're
anywhere.
Revos.
You're fine.
That's great how you treat people. Really great.
You know what she said? Yelling out. Like the N-word, yelling out.
No, she put her
all
hands
out
on me.
loud.
And
No, I only brought hands on you. You need to be quiet.
Yeah.
You need to relax
Battery,
yourself.
touch, and
You need to
strike on
relax.
you.
You need to
Tell her,
relax.
get her hands off of me. Tell her to get her hands off of me.
I'm arresting you. How am I supposed to do that?
I'm going to
No,
see
you're
my mom
blasted drunk,
tomorrow.
and you're not seeing anybody because you just missed your flight.
I said tomorrow. Berman told me that I'll get on a flight tomorrow to see my dying mother
You need
and
to
my
get that.
2 boys in college at Westchester County.
Relax. Yeah, since we're doing that.
No, right there, my Boeing from my boyfriend flies out of here.
Since
for
we're doing
Delta.
this. Nope, I am arresting
They
her.
told me that. You see, but it's not necessary, ma'am. Tomorrow, he told me I can just go to a hotel right now and just
we can take the
get
person.
rid of the alcohol.
Stop
and
moving.
then just go
Stop
see
moving.
My mother tomorrow.
Stop. You're not seeing anybody.
And
You
my
know
2
why?
sons.
Because you're blasted drunk.
That's why we said tomorrow.
Hold on, you need to get up so you get the person.
Get the bag out.
We either choose a time to cut the bag strap or take the
I
cover
didn't
off.
try to do anything.
Just relax, okay? Just
But I want to see my mom tomorrow.
Please.
Please, I
Got
need
it?
to. She's dying of cancer.
okay. Then you're not flying.
Tomorrow, he told me.
They
Yeah.
were going to
Told me
revoke you,
that
but
we
not
could do
anymore.
this tomorrow until this little person.
She told you. What did you say when you called me? Yeah, right? Yeah, that's what you called me. And then you said the N-word as you yelled it out right there.
He was adult enough to say,
You know what
"Let's
caused
just go
this?
cool it off
You're
at a hotel
83.
tonight,
Lady.
and then get
Lady.
on a flight to. Don't put
hey,
your hands on me.
shush.
That's battery.
I put my hands on you many times already. Let's get you in a car.
Yeah. What about the
You know what cost this? 83 pounds. She left it because she didn't want to pay for it.
Ow! Yeah, stop f***ing manhandling me.
Whose car are we putting her in? Whose car? Come on.
I want the. Ow!
Stop moving then.
Yeah, manhandling me.
The threshold question concerns the First Amendment. Is a racial slur shouted in public protected speech? Under Cohen versus California, offensive speech is generally protected. Snyder versus Phelps extends that protection to hateful public speech. The narrow exception comes from Chaplinsky versus New Hampshire, the fighting words doctrine of 1942. It excludes speech that incites an immediate breach of the peace. Gooding versus Wilson narrowed Chaplinsky substantially. Modern doctrine requires face-to-face provocation likely to produce violence. A slur alone will not sustain a Florida disorderly conduct conviction. Florida Statute Section 877.03 criminalizes breach of the peace, but State versus Saunders construed this narrowly, limited to fighting words and incitement to riot. The supporting basis is the cumulative course of conduct, not the slur. Florida Statute Section 810.08, criminal trespass, applies once the airline lawfully revoked permission to remain. Section 843.02, resisting an officer without violence, is satisfied by passive noncompliance. State versus Espinoza confirms refusal to comply qualifies. Section 784.03, battery, covers the unwanted physical contact with the airline agent. The aggravated menacing charge is the most legally tenuous. No weapon, no specific threat with apparent ability, likely to be reduced or dismissed at intake review. Turning to the Fourth Amendment and the abandoned suitcase. Under California versus Greenwood, abandoned property carries no reasonable expectation of privacy. Federal Regulation, 14 Code of Federal Regulations. Section 121.575 separately prohibits boarding visibly intoxicated passengers. Use of force analysis falls under Graham versus Connor. Reasonableness is judged from the perspective of an officer on scene, weighing severity, immediate threat, and active resistance. The deputy's soft, empty hand control is proportionate to passive resistance. No strikes, no impact tools, no chemical agents deployed. Voluntary intoxication is not a defense to general intent crimes under Florida law.
I'm cooperating. I am cooperating.
Everything I have is over here.
The purse can go to the jail and the backpack
Yeah,
can go to
the
the jail.
purse, the backpack, no. Purse can go. The purse, yes, but backpack, no.
Start writing the.
They only take one item?
Just in one bag. Yeah. The last time I was there, I would fight with them back and forth. I had 4 bags, and they tell me, you ain't taking it? I had to call the lieutenant, I had to call the
See
lieutenant.
when she yelled out? Right there.
Yeah.
They said, no.
You want to slap her? I want to slap. Oh.
All right.
Slap.
What was going on? Because I thought it was like an unattended bag at first, and then it was,
This,
Uh-huh.
83 pounds. She's trying to avoid the fee, so she just left it. It has her transcripts from school.
Which car is it?
No, they
car?
have like $1,400, $1,500 in cash right there.
Okay.
I want it back.
Yep.
My husband is a med mal attorney. He's a senior partner in Midtown Manhattan. And there's no way you're going to let that go. Tell her not to place me under arrest. I just simply want to pay to go to a hotel and sober up so that I can go
That
see
car over
my
there?
parents tomorrow.
My car.
I don't care. Just put it in a car. I don't care if she's screaming. I don't want her out here screaming too much.
I just said,
All right, sit back in the car.
ow! Ow! Are you f***ing crazy?
All right. We're not playing that game with you acting like a child, all right? You can sit like that. Do what you gotta do.
The Constitution was present at this scene. The question is who understood it. Now to grading. The subject receives an F, public intoxication, battery on staff, racial slur, refusal to comply, and resistance during cuffing. Academic credentials and a spouse's profession carry no legal weight. The lead deputy receives a C+. Probable cause was sound and force remained proportionate. However, the on-camera comment, quote, "I want to slap her," end quote, is a professionalism failure with potential Brady disclosure implications. The airline agent receives a C-. Lawful denial of boarding, but reciprocal profanity and proximity fell short of carrier customer service standards. Broward Sheriff's Office at the department level receives a B-. Competent response with a clear Bodycam discipline training opportunity. 3 lessons emerge from this footage. First, offensive speech is not automatically criminal. Charge the conduct surrounding the speech, not the speech itself. Second, voluntary intoxication is never a strategic defense. It does not negate general intent and aggravates jury impressions. Third, every word spoken on a body cam is discoverable. Treat body cam audio as if it will be read aloud in deposition, because it likely will be. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.